Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we try to include Old City or Icherisheher and its history. We took a metro to Old City, located just behind Icherisheher metro station. The Old City is surrounded by fortified walls with gates, which were once used to protect the city from the invaders. In total, the Old City has 4 main entrances that allow access to the fortified area. The Old City of Azerbaijan is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Shirvanshah's palace is the first place we have visited, and it is one of the main attractions of Icherisheher. The Shirvanshahs Dynasty was one of the longest ruling dynasties in the history of Azerbaijan. The Shirvanshahs were known for their significant contributions to the cultural, architectural, and political development of Azerbaijan, particularly in Baku and the surrounding areas. This place is a 15th century royal complex, one of the key features of Icherisheher that is still remaining. The palace includes a mausoleum, mosque, bathhouse, and courtyard, all reflecting the glory of Shirvanshah's dynasty's reign. Now, Palace of the Shirvanshahs is turned into a museum. It displays various artifacts from the Shirvanshahs era, including manuscripts, coins, ceramics, and clothing. The Divankhana is a pavilion-like structure thought to be either a courtroom or a mausoleum. It has a central octagonal hall surrounded by a gallery topped with a domed roof. Yahya Bakuvi tomb. He was a famous 15th century Sufi philosopher and scientist who was a court scholar for the Shirvanshahs rulers. He is buried in the palace of the Shirvanshahs complex. Mausoleum of Shirvanshahs, where members of the ruling Shirvanshah family were buried. A bathhouse or hammam located within the palace grounds reflects the Persian and Turkish influence on the Shirvanshahs culture. The hammam features underground heating systems and separate rooms for hot and cold baths. Next place is the Miniature Book Museum in Baku. It is a unique cultural institution dedicated entirely to miniature books. It holds a Guinness World Record for being the only museum in the world specializing in the collection of miniature books. On our way, we got company. A local boy who happened to be working for a tour company, occasionally acting as a guide, speaks very well about the culture, architecture and history of Old City. Many of the old city's traditional stone houses and narrow streets remain a window into the medieval urban layout. These residential areas still have people living within the walls of Icherisheher. The Maiden Tower, one of the most famous and enigmatic landmarks in Baku, still stands in excellent condition. This 12th century structure is a symbol of the city and its exact purpose, whether a defensive tower, temple or observatory, remains debated. It's time to wind up the video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching. Peace.